When I first started building credit, I was as clueless as a cat in a bathtub, okay? Like, I didn't understand how credit scores worked, and I had no idea what I was doing. And so I did what any clueless person would do. I signed up for every credit card offer that came my way. And when I said everyone, I meant that. Okay. I was like a kid in the candy store, but instead of candy, I was getting approved for credit cards left and right. Now, before I knew it, I had a wallet full of credit cards and a credit score that was in the toilet. It was trash. My credit utilization was through the roof. I was drowning in debt. But then I had a plan. Like, I realized I couldn't keep spending money like there was no tomorrow. And so I had to start being responsible with my credit. And so I came up with a really good plan. I started paying off my credit card balances in full every month, and I made sure that I kept my credit utilization low. I even cut up some of my credit cards, and so I was not tempted to use them at all. But you know what? It worked. My credit score, it started to rise, and I was feeling pretty proud of myself. Now, with my improved credit score, I was able to purchase a new home this year. And so today, I'm here to share that strategy with you. In this video, I will discuss how I raised my credit score from 488 to 810 in only 1 year. Hi guys, I'm Lydia. Welcome to my channel where we discuss personal finance topics with a sprinkle of humor, just to make learning about money a little less boring, okay? Now, today we're gonna talk about how you can improve your credit score, and yes, it's possible to do it without sacrificing your daily dose of Starbucks, okay? Your daily dose of caffeine, so let's dive in. Now, your credit score is an essential factor when it comes on to financial decisions such as getting a loan, credit cards, or even renting an apartment, okay? Now, having a good credit score, it helps you to save money and have access to better financial opportunities, all right? So I'm gonna give you the steps that you can take to improve your credit score. Now, step one is to check your credit report. And I want you to think of it as like a trip to the doctor, but for your finances, okay? Now, you wanna make sure that everything is in tip-top shape. And if you find any errors in your credit report, don't panic. It's not like a bad haircut, all right? You can fix it by disputing the errors with a credit reporting agency. All right. Now, you can get the 3 credit reports from all 3 credit reporting agencies, and you can get that actually once per year. So that's really good. I want you to review that credit report for any incorrect information or accounts that don't belong to you. And again, dispute them. All right. Any errors that you see on that credit report, and watch your credit score rise. Now, step 2. Pay your bills on time, okay? One of the most important factors in determining your credit score is your payment history. Now, late payments, they can severely impact your credit score, so it's very important to pay your bills on time. Now, if you're like me, you probably have a terrible memory. And so setting up automatic bill payments or even reminders, those can help you to remember to pay your bills on time, all right? Now, this way you avoid late fees and your credit score won't take a hit, okay? Now, if you forget to take a bill, just blame it on the goldfish. After all, who can remember anything with a memory span of 3 seconds? If you're enjoying this video, don't be a stranger, y'all. Hit that subscribe button like it's the snooze button on a Monday morning. And trust me, my videos are much more entertaining than hitting snooze on a Monday morning. All right? So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that button, and let's make this YouTube relationship official. Now, step 3 is to basically reduce your debt. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room, debt. Now, we all have it, and it's okay. All right? Whether that is good debt, such as student loans, mortgages, or even bad loans like auto loans or maxed out credit cards. But regardless, we need to make sure that we're managing our debt. So start by paying down your debt and just avoid using your credit card for unnecessary purchases, okay? Remember, when it comes to credit card balances, just like pizza, less is more. The amount of debt you have also impacts your credit score, and this is why it's important to keep your credit card balances low and pay down any outstanding balances that you might have. Now, a good rule of thumb is to keep your credit card balances lower than 30%. That way you're not utilizing too much of your credit. Now, step 4 is to never close credit card accounts, okay? Closing credit card accounts, it's like giving up on your New Year's resolution in February. It's tempting, but it won't get you anywhere. But instead, keep your credit cards open even if you're not using them. It will help to increase your available credit and lower your credit utilization limit, okay? For example, I actually have a credit card right now, and the only thing that I have on that credit card is my Amazon Prime membership payment. And that is very low in comparison to the credit limit that I have. And so it seems as if I have this big credit, but I'm not utilizing it to its max. That right there is increasing my credit score. That scenario right there is what actually helped me to really raise my credit score quickly. I wasn't utilizing every single credit that I had. So closing credit card accounts, it can actually hurt your credit score as it reduces your available credit and it increases your credit utilization limit. Now, instead, just keep your credit cards open and just use them sparingly. Now, step 5 is to diversify your credit. Now, you don't have to be an expert in finance to really understand this step, okay? Simply put, having different types of credit, such as a car loan or a mortgage, that can actually help to boost your credit score, okay? So if you're thinking about buying a car or home, go for it. It will pay off in the long run, all right? Having a mix of different types of credit, such as credit cards, student loans, and mortgages, they can improve your credit score. Now, this is what lenders want to see because they want to see that you can manage different types of credits responsibly. And so that's why diversifying your credit will actually help you to boost your credit score. Now, step 6 is to just limit new credit applications, okay? Try to limit new credit applications and only apply for credit when necessary. Applying for new credit is like playing the lottery, okay? It can be exciting at first, but it's not always a good idea because too many new credit applications, they make you look risky to lenders and it hurts your credit scores. So be selective whenever you apply for credit and only do it when you really, really need it. Step 7 is to be patient. Now, improving your credit score, it takes time. It will not happen overnight, okay? It's not like ordering fast food. You can't just drive up to a window and upgrade your credit score to a large. No, that's not how it works. You can't just do that in 2 minutes. It's a process, okay? But if you're patient and you're able to follow these steps and make responsible financial decisions, your credit score will improve over time. Like, that's no doubt. If your credit score was a superhero, who would it be and why? Would it be the responsible and reliable Superman, always saving the day and paying bills on time, right? Or would it be the reckless and impulsive Deadpool, living life on the edge and not even caring anything about credit utilization? Share it below and let me know. Now, improving your credit score, it's really an essential part of managing your finances. And by checking your credit report, paying your bills on time, reducing your debt, keeping your credit card accounts open, diversifying your credit, limiting new credit applications, and just being patient, you can improve your credit score over time, all right? No doubt. So I want you guys to really follow those strategies that I've implemented in order to raise my credit score from the high 400s to the low 800s. Guys, this is something that has been tested and proven. So if you put these into practice, it will pay off in the long run. All right. If you have any questions or if you'd like me to make a certain video, please comment that below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.